Welcome to the podcast. Welcome to Just Kidding with Sid. Hello. So we have what you know as the Sonu from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. That is Jeel Mehta. How are you, Jeel?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me over. That too with such a lovely girl. I'm just kidding, huh?
I'm also just kidding.
Oh, we are all just kidding.
What was your relationship with the Bhide character?
It was actually like a father-daughter relationship only. Mandar uncle was very nice. He used to teach me some acting tricks here and there also. I used to bond well with Babita Munmun Didi a lot. She actually used to teach me also. She used to teach me chemistry.
Yeah,
है
she was
ना?
good. Like Jetalal के साथ practice हो गया ना?
No,
On camera.
not that
On
chemistry.
camera.
I mean like organic chemistry and all that, poly chemistry.
And did you ever regret your decision of leaving that amazing show?
Who was your favorite character in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
So the real Tarak Mehta वो अहमदाबाद में रहते थे and उनके बर्थडे पे all of us used to go to अहमदाबाद. बस से उतरते ही इतनी भीड़ and you know people literally like ऐसे कर रहे हैं. सब bodyguards होते थे वहाँ. That was crazy. No.
तो कभी सर पे नहीं चढ़ाए? Initial episodes you made a day.
हाँ.
So Tapu Sena was equally paid.
Yeah.
And you have worked with Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, I did that ad, Sadak Suraksha. It's a government ad.
How was it working with Amitabh ji?
Everyone's crazy about him, you know. My mom started crying. She was like, please click a picture, please.
When it comes to Tarak Mehta, there were these headlines hitting. This person is living. That person is living.
To be honest, I was happy for them.
Do you remember the timeline? 8:30 Tarak Mehta, 9 p.m. Kasauti Zindagi Ki, 10 p.m. Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, 10:30 p.m. Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu,
हाँ, वो 10
और 11 p.m. Crime Patrol. It's time to kid for a bit.
ये जीके वीके मत पूछना मुझे.
President कौन है इंडिया का?
I don't know.
I don't know.
ये कट कर देना.
Yeah. Perfect.
क्या मेरे को जोकर बना दिया?
You seen no छोटा भीम?
हाँ,
तो चुटकी देखी है ना?
मैं चुटकी लग रहा हूँ.
Perfect.
How do I look? सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर एक्टर ही होते हैं. सारे एक्टर ही होते हैं. So we were talking about acting. So let me try acting once again. My acting starts now. Welcome to the podcast. Welcome to Just Kidding with Sid. Hello. Today it's going to be a very lightweight episode because I know that the last one was very intensely emotional. So I want to, lighten up the atmosphere, make it consuming for you to understand who we have today. And this is going to be something that you see when you hold a glass of water. When you drink that water, it's flowing inside your body. एकदम झील के जैसा.
God.
So we have what you know as the Sonu from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. But
Hello.
she's more than that. That is Jeel Mehta. How are you, Jeel?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me over. That too with such a lovely girl.
We have a lovely girl whose name is Jia, and she's extremely cute, extremely late, but it's completely fine because she sufficed with her cuteness
Yeah.
ka keeda.
Thank you.
And she's like, okay, मैं आ गई late, but मैं cute हूँ.
हाँ, मैं हूँ
How do you
cute.
feel, Jia?
Very good.
Very
Very
good.
cute.
She's an actress. How old are you?
11.
11 में actress. How do you feel?
I feel very good. I started acting when I was 6.
Oh my God. She already has 5 years of experience on her CV.
Yeah. She goes to how much experience you have? 5. Like वहाँ पे बैठे सारे बुड्ढे लोग. और मैंने अभी कंपनी स्विच मारी है. मैं 2 साल हो गया मेरे को. But do you feel like you're a senior junior actress? Senior junior actor.
I don't know about
You
that.
don't know.
But I think yes.
So last time we had 12,
My
Her-
brother.
her brother, her sibling, and I told Bhavya last time, okay, next time give me a challenge. I'll get Jeel and I'll get Jia as the
Okay.
guest, and we did it. Bhavya, we did it for you. Jeel, how are you?
I'm good. I'm feeling amazing. I'm very pumped to be here and have a good conversation with Gia. Get to know her more. Get to know you more.
Yeah. So I remember Jeel and I have been following each other on Instagram for a very long time, but we never got an opportunity to just talk,
Yeah.
to just conversate over random
Yeah.
things and life because she was busy.
Oh,
That too in what?
very busy.
Her wedding preparations.
It's a
Huh,
full-time job.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How does it feel that you're on the verge of
It's unreal.
synergizing with the soul?
Oh my god. कितना फिल्मी है आप. No, it feels amazing. I am very, very, very excited for
Hmm.
everything that's about to happen. We need to dance our hearts out. He loves
Wow.
dancing. I love dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the wedding is more about the Sangeet than everything else.
Every event becomes Sangeet.
That's true, you know.
In
My
weddings.
wedding choreographer was judging us because I was like, मेरे को हल्दी पे नाचना है, मेरे को इधर नाचना है.
Hmm.
Who
शादी के
doesn't like
बाद
dancing?
शादी
Huh?
के बाद तो उसको आपके इशारों पे नाचना है तो आप-
Who says अभी भी नहीं होता वो?
well.
No, no.
The boldness has already started. But it's very hard for me to imagine you without placing the image of Sonu in
Sonu.
my head.
I
And
know.
it's very normal. I know you.
Yeah.
Everyone calls you Sonu. I'm pretty sure. A lot of people. Do people call you Sonu sometimes?
Yeah, they do, and I've made my peace with it. I respond to Sonu just as much as I respond to Jeel. So,
But don't you get irritated?
no, not at all. Why would I?
Hmm.
Oh.
पता नहीं बिकॉज अगर मैं होता ना और इतने साल हो गए
Mhm.
है ना लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया है यू आर स्टिल अटैचिंग मी टू दैट वन नेम वन टाइटल वन ब्रांड
But when they call me Sonu, it's not about like it's more about how they feel about the character. It's not about me. It's
Mhm.
about their love that they have attached to the show, the character. It comes from a place of love. It
Hmm.
doesn't come from a like they're not trying to do that to annoy me.
Right. They do it honestly.
Yeah.
Even I do.
You have a pet name for
Yeah.
everybody, you know? So that's like my pet name
Ah,
now.
That's a nice perspective. But maybe because like she alongside after a few years you quit the journey of
Yeah.
acting and then you move to a different direction
Yeah.
and now you're handling your dad's business
Correct.
and also you're taking care of your influencership
Yes.
that we talk about.
Yeah.
And then we also have a small influencer who does brand collab every week.
No. What? Teach us
Yes.
how to do
How do you
that.
get brands?
It's all on my mom. She actually handles everything.
Hmm.
And it's actually fun to do, you know?
She has a momager.
You also had a momager?
No, my dad was my manager.
Oh, that's very like atypical, isn't it?
Of course, if you had a kid, तो आप भी वही करते ना.
हाँ बट आई मीन मोस्टली कैसा होता है मम्मी लोग ही सब हैंडल करते हैं सोशल मीडिया हो गया या फिर ऑडिशन लेके जाना है तो मम्मी लोग आते हैं
Yeah, my mom used to come, but then the thing is, both my parents were working, so it was more like whoever was able to, they would come. And then eventually, my father made a decision to start accompanying me more because mom had additional responsibilities on her head, right? Apart from the work and the house and everything.
Yeah.
You know, when you said now that everyone has a nickname.
Yeah.
So, what's your nickname?
Do you want to know my nickname? No one has
Yes.
ever asked me that.
I assumed it's
Now,
said.
I am
No,
asking
it's
you.
not. No, it's not said.
No?
So my nickname is Runal.
Runal?
Yeah. RUNAL.
Totally different.
I know it makes no sense. Just like my family.
ऐसा मेरे साथ भी three brothers के साथ scam हुआ है. Like I grew up with a lot of cousins.
Yeah.
So I ended up calling them like एक का नाम है Krunal but called him Sham all their life. So Sham doesn't sound like a pet name either.
Hmm.
Chintu नाम
हाँ,
Krunal
हाँ,
है.
हाँ, हाँ. You know what is my elder brother's nickname? His real name is Manoj, which is very like poised. Then it's Poppy.
Huh?
The nickname is Poppy.
Poppy.
Huh. Popy. Sounds like a guy from Tapu Sena, I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
But his name is Poppy.
Yeah.
So do you miss Tapu Sena?
Yeah. We used to have a lot of fun on the set.
Oh.
I'm sure Bhavya must have said like a couple of things here and there.
Bhavya was saying a lot of things, but he did not give
But
any
we had
controversial
different
data.
perspectives.
Yeah.
वो लोग मुझे बहुत सताते थे. Girls versus boys जैसा.
अच्छा.
Oh.
But it was always like it was like a sibling rivalry.
मैंने actually देखा एक episode when actually Tapu was proposing Sonu.
हाँ
मैं कोई ये एपिसोड में नहीं थी, किसी और सोनू को
I know,
देखा।
I know. So I thought ये झील मेहता जैसे तो नहीं दिख रहे.
Yeah,
When I
yeah, wasn't me,
searched
wasn't me.
कि झील मेहता तारक मेहता का उल्टा का first episode, and you look totally different. You had those braces. I
yeah
think so.
सब झूठ बोल रही है क्योंकि सेकंड एपिसोड में मेरे ब्रेसेस नहीं थे।
I thought
do you remember your first episode?
Yeah, I do actually.
What was it about?
The first scene was just like Tapu playing cricket and me coming over the balcony and like saying hi and cheering. And that was
Yeah.
my first scene. I remember it. I
Right.
remember I had those beads in my head and everything. We actually shot a pilot before that in some society in Borivali. पूरा society ऐसा बंद कर दिया था, इतना मजा आया था ना।
As in, ये समझाओ.
Pilot episode shoot किया था to send it over to the people
The
above
team.
everybody
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
sub team and
हाँ.
all. So उसमें तो बस cricket ही खेल रहे थे हम. But yeah.
If you have to explain what is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma
Mm-hmm.
to the generation who hasn't
Mhm.
watched it, how would you describe it?
Yeah. It's about a society which is actually just a melting pot of different cultures and people who actually come from different walks of life. And it's about how they deal with their problems by getting a different perspective, which is why it's called Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
oh.
That's why it is Ulta.
Who was
Yeah.
Tarak Mehta?
So, actually, the show is based on a magazine column. There's a writer named Tarak Mehta, and he used to share his stories about these characters.
Okay.
And कि अच्छा ये प्रॉब्लम आया जेठालाल की
Yeah.
लाइफ में, अब जेठालाल इससे क्या करेगा, कैसे डील करेगा?
So basically, Tarak Mehta was the
Right.
chat GPT of Jetalal.
Yeah, you can put it that way also. Yeah.
That's a nice way to put it
Yeah.
up. And he had a lot of prompts.
Yeah.
Jetalal had a lot of problems. It was love life. It was +1 love life.
बेचारी ये क्वेश्चन मार्क ऐसे घूम
Do you
रहा
know
है
the
उसके अंदर।
seen
equation
Tarak
of
Mehta na?
Babita and Jetalal?
No.
You don't know?
No.
You have missed out on life, Baba.
That girl.
What
who-
she'll understand.
That girl who had straight hair and her voice was like, "Oh, Jethala,
Yeah,
I'm
that.
so sorry."
ये
Like
कौन है?
that. I
ये
don't
बबीता
know.
जी है.
I don't know.
मुनमुन जी.
I assume.
The evolution of Tarak Mehta has been so vivid. Like I remember when the show started, Tapu was so arrogant.
In the show.
The character.
Yeah, but मतलब I get it. It was more like वो जहाँ पे भी enter होता है personality पड़ती है, kind of like Jia, कि, you know.
I own
She
this
likes to
room.
make an entry. That's why she was late.
है ना?
I'm just kidding, huh?
I'm also
No, no,
just
we know.
kidding.
We know. Oh, we are all just kidding.
But tell me, Jeel, like,
Yeah.
how are you doing nowadays, and what is the number one priority of life for you right now?
I'm doing good. The number one priority in my life right now is actually just following my heart
Yeah.
and seeing where life takes me. I've started being more open and saying yes to a lot of things, which is why I'm here.
Yeah.
And yeah, just very calm, shadi, or kya. I actually want to know what prompted Jia to start acting at such a young age.
Tell me, Jia.
What?
What excited you to start acting?
It's like you meet new people,
Mm.
you make more friends, you start learning new things.
Hmm.
That's true.
You know, most of my English I learned from this shooting and only.
Is it?
Yeah.
ऐसे क्यों?
Because, you know, my mom used to tell me that, why are you watching these stupid videos? Yeah, learn how to speak this, then do this and that. And I was like, Mama, please, I want to watch YouTube. Please, Mama, Mama, Mama. And then she took my phone. I was like, why are you taking my phone? I have to watch this.
Hmm.
Then she told me, watch TV if you want to. You
Hmm.
know, my parent is like, if you're watching phone for 3 hours, you'll have specs. But if you're watching phone for like, no, TV for 3 hours, nothing will happen to you.
Yeah.
हमारे ज़माने तो बहुत अलग था.
Yeah. हमारे जमाने में तो उल्टा था भाई.
हाँ ना.
टीवी पे ही इतना ये था ना
हाँ
भाई.
तो टीवी से चिपके रहते थे हम
हाँ,
तो.
for us, you know, TV was the devil.
Yeah. You don't know of the times when you know अच्छा 8 to 9 ये शो आ रहा है, like
Yeah.
half an hour break पे, तो सब कुछ छोड़
Yeah.
के 8 बजे टीवी के सामने बैठ जाओ so that
8:30.
Exactly, मैंने देखी है
8:30
इसलिए।
बजे आता था
आता था
तारक
तारक
मेहता
मेहता।
सब टीवी पे। बट या दैट
Nice.
लीग वाज डिफरेंट। हमें
Like,
ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ टेलीकास्ट होने वाला है, कुछ
yeah.
आने वाला है 9 बजे।
So much excitement. It's like जैसे आप कुछ देखते हो और नेक्स्ट एपिसोड को आने को 2-3 दिन और है तो कैसा अंदर से
क्या
धक-धक होता
होगा?
है।
हाँ,
अंदर।
सबसे वर्स्ट था फ्राइडे। फ्राइडे को दिखाता है मंडे को
हाँ,
कुछ होने वाला है।
सैटरडे
तो
संडे
सैटरडे
तो
संडे ट्रॉमा।
सस्पेंस। ओह
और
गॉड।
सैटरडे संडे तो स्कूल नहीं होता था। घर पे बैठ के
Yeah.
क्या सोचे भाई, कुछ करने कोई नहीं है, ना
Yeah.
कुछ फोन है, ना कोई कैफे बुला रहा है हमें। बूजी कैफे बुला रहा है कोल्ड कॉफी पीने के लिए। Do you think you have a personality? You have a responsibility as an influencer?
Maybe
Maybe मतलब like you hold how many followers do you have?
above 100K, 100 and
170K something she has. Okay.
Whoa.
मतलब
100K.
responsibility तो है ना, इतने सारे
my
लोग देख
mom
रहे हैं।
handles everything. I thought just
अच्छा।
make reels and I just dance.
ये कर रहा है बट वो ऐसे कौन कर
But that's a good thing, na?
Yeah.
That means that she's still being a child. Just कर रही है वो अपना.
Yeah.
For how many years did you do Tarak Mehta ka?
4 years.
4.
4 साल अपने जिंदगी के.
I don't know. It sounded like more.
Yeah, because the show has
It
been
felt
going on
like
for so long और repeat भी आता है तो सब लोग को
हाँ।
देख देख के everybody feels like that.
हाँ. So what do you think? Like, do you remember any craziest memory?
Crazy as
Something you
well.
haven't shared anywhere.
I mean, I think I almost like you can decipher that I'm more of an open book, so I'm sure there's nothing that I've already not shared. बट वो जो टप्पू की शादी का एपिसोड था वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग था. मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, मैं सोच रही थी मैं सीरियल क्यों कर रही हूँ, चाइल्ड मैरिज हो रहा है इसमें, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आई कुक्ड इन माय हेड. And then when I saw the episode, I realized कि oh, it's a sapna and all that. I was questioning my life choices, bro. I'm not even... Sorry, that's
टप्पू
my...
का कॉल आ गया क्या?
No, that's my alarm to have lunch.
Oh.
Sorry. I forgot about
मेरे को
it.
लगा भव्य कॉल कर रहा है।
No, that's my alarm to have
अच्छा हाँ
lunch.
हाँ. Go on.
Anyway, but crazy. As a child, when you're studying, you know, कि child marriage गलत होता है ये वो blah blah, and you're thinking कि इतना influential show, ये सब क्यों दिखा रहा है यार?
बराबर. Political correctness थी नहीं मतलब.
हाँ, actual.
उठने के बाद correctness आ गई.
So very weird and funny and crazy in my head.
Where have you laughed and cried the hardest when you were on the sets? पहले laugh का बताओ फिर cry का बताओ.
Okay. As I have to like.
Because I
dive
know you are an
deeper.
emotional person
Yeah.
and you have gone through so many things after the show also.
Yeah.
But before that, the foundation of it is that you are an emotional person
Yeah.
with an added logic, which which prepared you for taking the decision to leave the show,
Sure. Yeah.
which takes a lot of guts.
That's
so-
true. I have laughed a lot during all those, you know, Kavi Sammelan episodes and everything. Because, of course, I don't know.
कवि सम्मेलन क्या होता है
I
बता.
don't know.
The way she सोच रही है वो अभी क्या होता है.
So, it's just a
Poetic.
get together where people like recite poetries and stuff like that.
Okay.
If you remember, there was this entire storyline where, you know, Sonu doesn't do well in her exams and Bhida is very disappointed. So I was like, glycerin डाल के मैं नहीं रोगी. I'm an actual actress. तो ऐसे एकदम बुरी बुरी चीज़ें लाइफ में सोच के ऐसा इतना रोई हूँ ना मैं.
क्या सोचा बताओ.
नहीं वो सब मैं
अरे यार वो इम्पोर्टेंट है ना.
You
नेक्स्ट
were a topper
पॉडकास्ट
what in school?
ऐसे दिखती हूँ ना मैं लेकिन थी नहीं.
नहीं थी.
नहीं.
बचपन में तो दिखती. बचपन में लाइक हर
No, मतलब
हर
I was
branding
good
में
at
she's a
studies. I was
topper.
just not a topper. I was decent at studying. I'm smart.
Do you think अगर टप्पू सेना में और एक लड़की होती तो तुम्हारे झगड़े होते?
No.
नहीं.
But I've never been like, you know, things have to be about me or anything like that.
Yeah.
I like, since I'm an only child, I actually enjoy sharing things more. Like you asked me about my bachelorette trip earlier.
Yeah,
and
tell
you
us
asked
about your
me-
bachelor trip. How was it?
It was amazing. And it was with a friend of mine. She's also a bride to be. So it's never like, oh my God, how do I share my bachelorette? More the merrier.
Do you know what is a bachelorette?
शादी के पहले ऐसे ट्रिप पे जाता है उसको बैचलरेट बोलता है.
I don't know that.
कोई बात.
I've
समझेगा.
heard of honeymoon but not that.
That's like with your husband. Bachelorette is with your friends.
Oh, okay.
Bachelorette में झुंड के साथ जाते हैं.
Yeah.
हनीमून में एक ही.
Tarak Mehta ka friends or what?
No, no. I
normal
would never take them
friends.
on a bachelor trip. Never.
कोविड के पहले क्या था, हम लोग अभी घर पे ऑडिशंस बनाते हैं, एट दैट टाइम हमें जाना पड़ता था, आई डोंट नो वेयर बट मड लाइन क्या था,
मड आइलैंड
मड आइलैंड, सॉरी, मड आइलैंड के पास ही कहीं पर था, सब
हम्म
ऑडिशंस देते थे, सो इट वाज वे फार। तो क्या होता था, स्कूल से आती थी, खाना खा के सीधा मैं उधर जाती थी, रात को हम लोग लेट नाइट आते थे और हम लोग बहुत थक जाते थे। तो ये सब काम चला, बाद में क्या स्टार्टिंग का बोलती हूँ, हाउ इट स्टार्टेड।
Okay.
सो वी वर न्यू इन मुंबई,
Hmm.
तो देयर वाज वन ऑफ माय ब्रदर्स फ्रेंड, तो उसके पापा ने बोला योर किड्स आर वेरी क्यूट, आई विल गिव यू वन कोऑर्डिनेटर्स नंबर और समथिंग। देन हम लोग ने स्टार्ट किया सब कुछ करना, देन 6 मंथ्स के लिए किया, एक भी शूट नहीं हुआ। यू नो दैट प्रिंट शूट्स जहाँ पे ऐसे
Yeah.
देसी वो सब होता था, दैट आई यूज्ड टू डू, बट मैं जल गई थी।
एकदम प्रोफेशनल.
बट देन माई मॉम वाज लाइक आई कांट डू दिस, इट्स बिन 6 मंथ्स, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा। तो देन आफ्टर फ्यू डेज देयर वाज वन कॉल, my mom picked it up and she said hello, and then the person was like, hello, is this Jia Nadigra's mom? Your kid has been selected to Kasauti Zindagi Ki serial, and that was the happiest moment of my mother's life,
wow
Oh, not her life.
mother's life not her
because इतना मेहनत किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ,
Yeah,
then
of course.
suddenly something happened.
yeah
It was so good. बाद में I did the sale for like 6 months, around 6 months.
how was that experience
Very good.
what did you learn
I learned. Actually, I did not learn anything because I was my role.
because I was the best I was
no,
teaching
actually,
I was busy teaching people so when will I get time to learn things you know
I was actually muted. I could not say anything.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why my role was that only.
डार्क हो गया भाई डार्क हो गया
That's why.
सीरियसली जोन में आ गई भाई
I was
मुझे
not able
बोलना
to
था
s-
बट बोलने नहीं मिला.
हाँ
I was not actually able to say anything.
so you learned
Yes, sir.
I learned
Sign
sign
language?
I have.
Not that sign language people do.
then
That this.
basic things yeah
Oh.
that looks cute to the camera
I was actually
Oh.
chubby at that time, you know. Not that chubby,
हाँ
but my cheeks were.
yeah childhood में like most of us
Nice.
are
सब ऐसे ही होता
that's completely fine
You see my sister Arya Sakaria. She's so cute, you know.
real sister no nice
Cousin
cousin
sister.
हाँ
Cousin.
When you meet her now, whenever I meet her, I just want to crush her. Like I want to squeeze her. She's so cute, you know. She has the chubby cheeks and everything.
yeah
Does your and Aditya's personality match?
No.
No,
We're opposites. But we
not
love
at
it.
all.
The values match, everything else matches. But I'm like a yapper. He's a listener, so it works out well that way.
I also
You're
talk
a
a lot,
yapper,
you know.
yeah. It's not about like having differences. It's about like finding peace in differences.
Yeah.
You like dancing?
Yeah, we both love dancing.
Huh.
She's a great dancer.
Mm.
Yeah, and you also love dancing, no?
Yeah, yeah.
I also love dancing.
Yeah.
Who
so
doesn't? You don't?
I used to be I used to be a choreographer.
What?
Yeah, I used to like do wedding choreographies वगैरह
Wow.
like
I'll
during
hit
my
you
college
up for
days.
my wedding choreography or what?
Now it's too late.
You know, I actually studied folk dance when I exam diye 4 साल. When I
Wow.
was in Tarak Mehta, I was studying that also.
Oh.
तो कॉलेज कौन जाता था? वो स्कूल कौन जाता था फिर?
सब
तो
कर
सब
देते
You
हैं.
were
कुछ-
in which school?
CNMS, Chatrabhuj Nursi Memorial School.
Yeah.
तो
Where?
उसमें उतना फ्रीडम नहीं था.
था.
बिकॉज
So
भव्य के साथ जब मैंने बात की उसके तो पूरा फ्रीडम.
हाँ, उनके जितना नहीं था.
हाँ.
And the thing is, they were all in SSC board and I was in ICSE board. So उन सब की एग्जाम्स एक टाइम पे होती थी और मेरी उनके बाद होती थी. So somehow उनके एग्जाम के वक्त हमको हॉलीडेज मिल जाता था. But during my exams, I had to.
तो कोई चिढ़ाता था तुम्हें स्कूल में? ये एपिसोड में क्या बोला तूने, ये क्या किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
नहीं,
था?
my friends were all very like good and sweethearts. ये मुझे बस ये टप्पू से ना तंग कर देती, उल्टा था.
But like, yeah, I mean, it looked like that. Like, you are someone who, like, you're the glue who holds the group together. You're the sanest person in the group.
Oh wow.
You are the Tarak Mehta of that. You are the Tarak Mehta of that group, right?
No.
Because of your upbringing.
Yeah, but I'm not. there are people who are
अरे मतलब to the on camera I'm
on
saying
cam.
हाँ.
Oh, okay, you mean Tapu
On
Sena
camera
case.
you were
Yeah,
the glue that held
yes,
together,
of course.
and that's mainly because you were conditioned to be a disciplined
Yeah, and I was
girl.
keeping everybody grounded. कि
हाँ
ठीक है, मस्ती
हाँ
करो, but एकदम इतना extreme मत करो.
हाँ. So her character's father was Bhide,
Hmm.
and Bhide was the society का secretary.
Yeah,
हाँ,
and a teacher.
ऐसे करते थे
हाँ.
वो हमेशा.
Hmm.
तो every time he used to say me आत्माराम तुकाराम भिड़े गोकुल
Yeah.
धाम सोसाइटी का सेक्रेटरी ऐसा बोलता था, ऐसे करता था, एंड दैट बिकेम अ थिंग.
Yeah.
सो ही कंडीशनड सोनू टू बी दिस पॉइज्ड वेरी हम्बल गर्ल.
Girl.
पढ़ना है, फिर
Hmm.
सोनू सबको मोटिवेट करती थी, पढ़ो वरना फेल हो जाओगे, ये सब होता था. बट व्हाट वाज योर रिलेशनशिप विद द भिड़े कैरेक्टर?
It was actually like a father-daughter relationship only. Mandar uncle was very nice. He used to teach me some acting tricks here and there also, and mainly just a lot of good banter.
या
Who was your favorite character in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma in camera and out camera?
कैसे सब सवाल पूछ रही है
PR
यार, है ना,
trainer,
छोटी होके.
हाँ.
Favorite and all. Favorite, so off camera, I used to bond well with Babita Munmun Didi a lot. She actually used to teach me also. She used to teach me chemistry.
या
Wow.
शी वाज गुड. लाइक जेठालाल के साथ प्रैक्टिस हो गया ना
No,
ऑन कैमरा.
not that
On camera.
chemistry. I mean like organic chemistry and all that poly chemistry. But off camera, them and of course Tapu Sena, the kids used to play a lot of games, chill, hang out. And on camera तो भाई टप्पू से नहीं, और कोई आंसर ही टप्पू ही बोलना पड़ेगा, और क्या बोलूँ मैं.
डू यू रिमेंबर द टाइम के यहाँ मैंने बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग की है?
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, वो जो सीन
रोने वाला.
रोने वाला, उससे अंदर से आंसू आए.
I don't know.
Because that is when you internalize the scene.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is when I felt like, okay, I'm making that real effort as an
Yeah.
actress to dive deeper into everything that has happened to me and
Yeah.
channel that on my face.
Hmm.
Before that, it was me being me on the show.
Hmm.
Let's be honest here. My character was not as big as Tapu's character, or
Hmm.
like how she said, ki
Hmm.
how her character limited her a little bit. It was the same for me in that case.
Hmm.
But that storyline kind of helped me to learn
Yeah.
acting more.
कैसा है ना जिया, मतलब ये जो गुजराती कम्युनिटी है ना, दे आर
Hmm.
क्रेजी अबाउट दिस शो. It's the world is crazy, I know, but on the other end there is this Gujarati community and the world.
That's true.
ये craze कैसा था? Do you remember the crazy highs of this show?
So I remember the stark contrast of the fans यहाँ पे मुंबई में and in Gujarat. So the real तारक मेहता वो अहमदाबाद में रहते थे, and उनके बर्थडे पे all of us used to go to अहमदाबाद.
Oh.
बस से उतरते ही इतनी भीड़, एंड पीपल लिटरली लाइक ऐसे कर रहे हैं, सब बॉडीगार्ड्स होते थे वहाँ. मुंबई में तो अच्छा, उधर अच्छा वो सुन रहा था ऐसा होता था.
सुनो.
या उधर तो भाई बाप रे, दैट वाज क्रेजी.
Yeah.
एज अ चाइल्ड कमिंग टू नो कि ओह,
Right.
आई एम फेमस, आई गेस.
Right.
वाज वेरी
तो
एंडिंग.
कभी सर पे नहीं चढ़ाई मतलब?
नो,
नहीं.
माय पेरेंट्स हैव एंश्योर्ड दैट नेवर हैपेंड टू मी.
They kept you grounded,
या
just like Bide.
Yeah, and ऐसा तभी, at least in that's what I think, ऐसा तभी होता है when people start treating you differently, like the people who are already in your life. That is when किसी के सर पे ये सब जाएगा कि okay, इतने छोटी उम्र में ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. But when people around you don't treat you any differently, this is a part of your work.
Yeah.
This is not your personality. This doesn't mean you're superior than other people.
True.
That is what you have to remember.
Do you remember any particular scene when you nailed it? Because before saying anything, you were like depicting feelings, which is truly
In
hard.
my serial.
Yeah. Or
um,
anywhere. Any particular scene, on any particular show or ad, whatever it is.
Serial.
Yeah.
Serial में क्या था? I was actually not able to speak anything ना. So that was क्या था? It's actually a long story. So I had an accident. तो मैं गई थी हॉस्पिटल. And
ये
they were
रियल में.
नहीं
अच्छा.
नहीं शो में एक्सीडेंट था. तो बहुत ब्लीडिंग हुआ था. So my mother in the show, she was giving me blood. तो मेरा उसका same blood था ना. तो बाद में Papa came to me and then in 6 months मैंने पहली बार एक word बोला था, पापा. मैं एक्सीडेंट के बाद मैं बोलने लगी. At Papa, and then I started crying. Everyone started crying that he finally बोल चुकी है and everything else. तो that was my best scene. के मैंने कुछ तो सोचा था कि you know what I do, मैं ना कुछ बार रोती नहीं हूँ सीन में. तो what I do कि मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि मेरी मम्मा पापा का एक्सीडेंट हो गया and I'm staying alone and I just cry. तो मैंने वो सीन में वो सोच लिया and then I was crying the whole time.
And that helps.
Yes, that does.
Right. You know, there is this practice where it's called death meditation over death.
Meditation
Over death.
Okay.
So, it is a form of practice a form of meditation where you sit down, you close your eyes, and you imagine the people that you love are not with you anymore.
Why
You
would
don't
do
imagine
that
them
to
dying.
yourself?
Like how are they? How did it look? How was it?
Yeah,
You imagine your life without them,
but why?
because when
Why
you
would I
open your
want to?
eyes, you understand their value at present.
Okay, now that made sense. But I was like, why would you do that to yourself?
So a lot of people do this. You know Gary Vee.
Yeah, I've seen
Gary
his.
Vee does it. Satya Nadella does it. A bunch of billionaires also do it. It keeps them grounded.
Reminds them not to take people for granted.
Yeah. We used to try hard to reach a resource.
Yeah,
Now resources are trying too hard within themselves to reach us.
yeah.
समझ रहे हो?
नहीं समझ रही हो.
समझो हम गूगल सर्च करते हैं, ठीक है, यूट्यूब पे कुछ कर रहे हैं, यूट्यूब पे वीडियो अच्छा लगा खोलते हैं. हमारे टाइम में बफरिंग वाला साइन आता था ऐसे.
वो छोड़ो, हम लोग अगर स्कूल में प्रोजेक्ट होता था तो इंटरनेट कैफे में पैसे देके कंप्यूटर यूज करके वो टॉपिक का सर्च करके सब प्रिंट आउट लेके उसमें से काट के स्क्रैप बुक जैसा बना के फिर प्रोजेक्ट बनाते थे.
Yeah. Cyber cafe was a big thing for us. Fancy
Yeah.
thing. Cyber cafe मतलब पता है? Cyber cafe is basically a cafe जहाँ पे सारे कंप्यूटर्स लगे होते हैं. वहाँ पे 15-15 रुपए 25-25 रुपए दे के एक घंटे का 25 रुपए दे के हम जाके बैठते थे.
That's how we used to log on to Facebook also, you know.
Yes.
And
That-
उससे क्लास में चिट्स पास होती थी. Come online on Facebook at 6 p.m.
मैं भी ऐसा ही करती हूँ. कुछ
Yeah.
No, but not that about cafe things, but you said ना chits pass करके.
That is fine, but what I'm trying to say, हमें मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी उस रिसोर्स तक, उस उस चीज तक पहुंचने के लिए. अभी चीजें तुम्हारे लिए रखी है.
But in a way, that's what evolution is all about. No, जैसे हम लोग मोबाइल फोन आया, it's wild to think कि okay 2010 से अभी के बीच में मोबाइल फोन्स भी कितने डिफरेंट हो गए.
Yeah.
But we
That's
have to
true.
get on with it.
But what I'm trying to say that you will be consumed by a lot of things which will not be in your control. What you can work on from now is, hey, how I can start taking control of my life right now so that it does not happen in the longer term. So when you
Yeah.
get consumed by so many people, the people who actually want to consume your time will find it hard to be with you.
I तो can't even finish my homework now. I तो can't even finish my notes now.
Yeah.
एक notes आया, खत्म हुआ, दूसरा notes चला गया.
Irrelevant, but okay.
नहीं, but
She just
for
needs
me
the
ना, first time मुझे
priority, yeah.
bio, chemistry और physics हो सब आया.
11 years की उम्र में तुम कौन सी
Bio
साइंस
chem?
में
6 में बायो.
Biology है.
ये क्या
बात है?
bio,
क्या हो रहा है
physics,
आजकल?
chemistry, history,
6 में
geography.
फिजिक्स है.
हाँ, सब कुछ है.
तुम्हें न्यूटन्स लॉ पता है?
नहीं,
तो
मुझे पहली बार
क्या पढ़ाते हैं फिजिक्स में आपको?
those matter, then quantity measurement. But biology is hard for me.
Biology is
कि-
very hard. Yeah.
Actually, it's very hard.
So it's true.
क्योंकि उसमें जो words आते हैं ना,
Hmm.
those are hard for me.
I loved bio. That was the only subject जो मैं 10th में भी ट्यूशन नहीं रखा था.
Actually, I go for football practice.
Okay.
Okay.
तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि इंडिया में फुटबॉल का नहीं है, you know.
क्या नहीं है?
सब कुछ है.
नहीं बट जैसे आउट ऑफ इंडिया में
Yeah.
कैसा है
हाँ मतलब इतना
इतना नहीं है, हाँ
वो.
इतना
Hmm.
नहीं है बट अबाउट क्रिकेट पीपल आर क्रेजी अबाउट क्रिकेट
Yeah.
नाउ.
That's true. That's
Are you
true.
crazy about cricket?
नो आई एम नॉट.
What do you think about boys who are, very crazy about cricket? Cricket के बारे में बात करते हैं.
मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता क्या बोल रहे हैं. आई जस्ट
एक
इग्नोर
ओवर
इट.
में कितने बॉल होते हैं?
ये तो पता होगा.
6.
हाँ.
Nice. Thank you so much. My community is not going to hate me. But that's nice. I think that's enough. You know what's a no ball?
नो बॉल मतलब बहुत टप्पी पड़ गई और समथिंग.
हाँ मतलब
my
वो
one of
no that is
those
dead ball.
dead ball.
ओ हाँ. तो
No
नो बॉल
टप्पी
क्या
is
होता
dead
है?
ball. No. She's
नहीं,
saying what टप्पी.
No टप्पी कैसे डेड बॉल होगा?
तो क्या होता है?
डेड बॉल इज मल्टीपल टप्पास.
Oh.
डेड मतलब खत्म.
हाँ.
बॉल काउंट ही नहीं होता. नो
बहुत
बॉल इज
बार.
बेसिकली ये लाइन है. इस लाइन के यहाँ पे तुमने पैर डाला.
और मारा.
बॉलर ने जो बॉलिंग डाल रहा है.
अच्छा.
हम्म.
ये भाई झील लगी लीग में. ये line है. तुमने आगे पैर रखा
हाँ.
और आगे पैर रख के बॉल डाला मतलब ये नो बॉल है.
हम्म.
बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इन योर टेरिटोरी.
I needed some more seasons of GPL to understand all of that.
I have a question for you both.
बताओ.
मेसी और रोनाल्डो.
मैं नहीं देखती फुटबॉल.
मेसी
No, but
रोनाल्डो
you
तो
two
पता है
know
ना.
ना. मेसी और
रोनाल्डो.
रोनाल्डो. रोनाल्डो.
CR7 वही है ना. I'm not. Oh, sorry.
No
Yeah.
speed were hurt.
Yes, he is CR7. What
No
about
speed
you?
was hurt in this podcast. Messi.
That's one
Messi.
person I don't understand why he's famous.
Messi.
Speed.
Speed.
So in the summer, no, one of my nephews was interning with us and he was so excited. I was like, okay, show me who this person is. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया. He could say
Sue.
anything.
Speed, na?
Yeah.
Speed is like that. People like craziness. That's why they like
Yeah,
Punit
that's what
Superstar,
Yeah.
I show
Deepak
speed.
Kalal.
I show speed, na?
What?
You don't know these people? Punit
Oh.
Superstar, Deepak Kalal. You don't know these people?
I'll Google
Deepak
him.
Kalal.
No, don't. Don't Google them, guys.
Okay.
Please don't.
I
You're
don't
happy
know, I
without
show
knowing
speed.
this. Some lack of education is good
Good.
education.
Ignorance is bliss.
Yeah, ignorance is bliss. But have you ever felt accomplished in your life?
Yes, I do feel accomplished. Not in the way that, oh my god, देखो मैंने क्या उखाड़ लिया. But I feel like I have reached a stage in life where I'm happy with where my professional life is, where my emotional life is, where my social life is. So yeah, in that sense, I do feel accomplished.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Did you ever doubt yourself that what am I doing? And did you ever regret your decision of leaving that amazing show?
No, I never regretted any of my decisions, but I did doubt myself in the sense when I like right out of college when I couldn't figure out कि okay, college खत्म हो गया, अब क्या करना है? Now what? तभी था that figuring out phase, but that is so important even while growing up, right? जैसे तुमको शायद पूरी life actress रहना तो you have that goal, right? You have that aim, you're working towards that. मेरा वैसा नहीं था. So tabhi I used to doubt myself a little bit. Which direction am I headed in?
Mm,
When I found it, I feel at peace.
yeah.
Mm.
Shanti hai.
If you have to share each other's acting tips with each
Okay.
other, what is that one thing that you'll tell? Suppose this is your 10-year-old version
Uh-huh.
and she's exploring acting in different
Mhm.
directions. What would you suggest?
I would say that so sometimes this used to happen to me that I used to get very nervous doing an audition जिसमें मेरा character if it's different from who I am, right? मुझे बहुत डर लगता था, nervousness होती थी. But as an actress, you need to understand and learn the art of compartmentalization, right? Like, मतलब when you're auditioning for a role, आपको भूल जाना है कि आप कौन हो.
You have to just.
हाँ, वो कौन है?
हाँ.
That is what you have to think about, and उतने time के लिए you have to be that person. When you do that, then that fear somehow goes away.
How do you learn
sense of
that those big scripts when you have big lines? How do you learn it?
The good part about TV is you can always do a retake.
Mm.
So Memory wise, तो when you read your lines with someone and when you think of it as a story, आपको automatically याद रह जाएगा वो. And ये बात है कि nobody is expecting word to word from you, right? You have to convey what the underlying message is.
हम्म,
तो आपके words में बोलो जो बोलना है.
क्योंकि मैं सीरियल में तो मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाती थी. मैं सीरियल में
ओ हाँ, आपको वो सवाल है ही क्यों जब आपके
हाँ,
lines नहीं थे.
मैं तो कुछ
आपको
बोलती
क्या
ही
याद
नहीं थी.
But you were in
रहेगा?
कुमकुम भाग्य also ना?
कुमकुम भाग्य
हाँ.
कसौटी जिंदगी
तो
की.
कुमकुम भाग्य में क्या था रोल?
कुमकुम भाग्य में I actually don't remember because I was too small at that
छोटी
time.
थी.
Because I thought you had memory का problem उसमें भी.
नहीं.
That's why you don't remember.
How old were you when you did Kumkum Bhagya then?
Started at 6, 7,
7.
and after few months that only कसौटी जिंदगी की.
Right.
Yeah,
And
my
you have
next.
worked with Amitabh Bachchan,
Oh
Yeah, I did
wow.
that ad at Sadak Suraksha. It's a government ad.
government ad.
Ah.
How was it working with Amitabh ji?
It was really good. He was so sweet, you know.
I heard he's always on time, very punctual.
Very much.
है ना? Have you met him?
My first gig was as a junior artist in this movie called Babul Nath. There was this song का choreography. उसमें like Rani Mukherjee,
बाबुलनाथ के ये
Babul Nath. I don't know one of those movies.
भूतनाथ ना?
भूतनाथ
भूतनाथ.
नहीं, बाबुल. अरे बहुत पहले की बात है. When I was
अच्छा.
like 7, 8.
अच्छा, okay.
So तभी I met him. And my father-in-law has worked with him multiple times. He's into advertising. So
अच्छा,
RBI की जो ads होती है,
अच्छा,
he
अच्छा.
tells me.
So what
Very
was the
coming.
experience meeting him?
Just I though felt intimidated back then, but it was very nice. Like, oh my god, that aura that everybody has, even Rani Mukherjee and everybody, you're like, oh my god. You feel that stardom, you know,
Yeah.
you feel that presence.
My
I
mom is
remember
the
that as a
very
child
big.
also.
My mom is the very big fan of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who isn't? I mean, like
Everybody
we all
is.
are.
उनके
Yeah.
उनके जमाने में क्या बोल रही हूँ अभी भी he is very big actor.
He has more projects going on than
And
most
then-
of the young talents in this
Yeah,
industry.
but rightly so.
Yeah, of course. He has earned it.
Everyone's crazy about him, you know.
Yeah.
My mom started crying when she got to know now that I'm actually going to do acting with Amitabh Bachchan. So she was like, please click a picture, please, I want a picture. Then if you see my account now, the पहली picture है.
आप
Me
तो
with
देखना
Amitabh
Of course,
Bachchan.
yaar. There is no other person.
Who's your favorite actor or actress or both?
I
ये दोनों
have,
बता दो.
yeah, I'll tell both. In actors, I have many options.
Options.
I'll say in actor, Shah Rukh Khan and Ranveer Kapoor.
Ranveer Kapoor.
Kapoor.
हाँ,
Kapoor.
रणबीर बाबा.
Ranbir.
Hmm.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
And SRK. Shah Rukh Khan. And an actress, I have Shraddha Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone.
Yeah.
All good ones, yeah.
What about you?
Kriti Sanon. And many.
Alia Bhatt, I also really.
I am her fanboy since student of the
I
year.
love her
Yeah.
acting
That's true.
and the way she is.
Like she can
I
be
know.
any
Like,
character you can imagine.
Every single thing suits her.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Those baggy clothes, those
अच्छा,
tight
okay.
clothes.
मैं तो roles की बात कर रही थी.
Roles also. You know, roles also.
Yeah. You give off that Alia Bhatt energy, doesn't she? Look at her. She looks जैसे हाईवे में
They
थी ना
tell
आलिया
you,
भट्ट. You look like her somehow. है ना? लगती है ना
हाँ.
थोड़ी?
Everyone
आलिया
tells me
भट्ट
that I
वाली?
look like
sorry,
Alia Bhatt.
हाईवे वाली आलिया भट्ट.
हाँ, लगती है.
Highway movie?
हाँ.
तुम मत
हाईवे
देखना.
देखी तुमने?
नहीं.
वो बच्ची को क्यों दिखा रहे हो ये?
क्या हो गया फिर उसमें हाईवे?
कुछ नहीं.
See, you'll get to learn a lot of things. I'm not saying. It's good for education, no?
What's the story?
कुछ नहीं.
कुछ
Eh,
नहीं है
क्या?
story.
Jeel, come on, yeah. So this story is about like this one girl who was abducted by this one man. Abducted मतलब पता है ना? Kidnapped. एंड बेसिकली कैसा होता है ये जो होता है इसको किडनैप करके ऐसे ट्रक में टेम्पो में पूरा जो कश्मीर साइड है ना वैसे घुमाता है मतलब वो घूम रहा है भाग रहा है सबसे वाइल दे आर टुगेदर दे स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर्स लाइफ्स एंड दे गेट टू नो ईच अदर वेल एंड देन शी फॉल्स इन लव विद द it's not that वाला एकदम lovey dovey. It's a very pure feeling. When you see the film, you'll say the perspective of love blended with the essence of travel makes it complete.
What highway?
Yes.
Okay.
You have seen so many Sonus coming up after you left. Did you ever feel यार ये क्या कर रही है यार?
No, it was more like, oh,
Uh,
she's doing well.
you were surprised.
Huh.
You were the first Sonu, na?
Yeah.
First and
It
for
is-
me, first and last.
बटर लगा रहा है वो.
I did never.
नहीं सच में like I think that was during the time of that only I stopped watching. ओल्ड एपिसोड्स ही देखते हैं हम लोग. हमारी जनरेशन तो ओल्ड एपिसोड्स ही देखती
I
है.
know that's what everybody, comes to me and says ki, because honestly, after a decade of leaving the show, you feel like people will forget you, especially in these times where there are like 10,000 shows going
Yeah.
on. You consume so much content. You
Yeah,
see
yeah.
so many new faces.
Yeah.
It's very easy to forget, harder to remember people.
Mm.
So when people actually recognize me and come to me, it's just very sweet. Genuinely a very good feeling.
Yeah.
अभी मैं घूमने भी गई थी ना, मतलब मुझे नहीं लगा था कि डबलिन में कोई मुझे पहचानेगा.
Wow.
So it's a very warm and fuzzy feeling on the inside. कि, okay, I touched this person's life in a certain way that they remember me so nicely and in such a happy manner. And to me, that made being an actor worth it.
Mm.
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से स्टार्टिंग में एक्टिंग ना आई वाज डूइंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, बट आफ्टर आई लेफ्ट इट आई रियलाइज्ड हाउ मच how much
Told
value I
people to
derive
you.
from it, from the impact that I see the show made on people's lives.
Yeah.
I love it. And I love that I was a part of such a nice and special thing in people's lives.
I can't imagine my childhood without that show. I don't know how to
Yeah.
imagine it because all that we were attracted to was something animated,
Yeah.
and the real thing was this
Yeah.
fictional but real.
Real.
बाकी
Yeah.
सब एनिमेटेड था. पोगो वगैरह कार्टून नेटवर्क. बट एक ही शो था जिसमें रियल लोगों को देख के मजा आता था. आई वाज लाइक सास भी कभी बहुत ही नॉट लाइंग.
मैं तो बहुत देखी
माई
वो
कसौटी
कहानी
जिंदगी
घर
की.
घर की.
कसौटी जिंदगी की फर्स्ट वाला प्रेरणा वाला
तभी तो मैं
Yeah.
आई भी नहीं
कहानी
थी.
कर. यू रिमेम्बर दैट मूवी?
कहानी घर घर.
घर.
Yeah, अरे full 8 o'clock to
मैंने
11
सुना है.
o'clock I was like मैं भी देखूंगी टीवी मम्मी के साथ.
Yeah. Do you remember the timeline? I remember.
I remember
8:30
so much.
तारक मेहता. 9 PM कसौटी जिंदगी की. 10 PM कहानी घर घर की. 10:30 PM सास
एक ही
भी
साथ
कभी
में,
बहू
हाँ,
थी.
वो 10
और
10
11
वाला याद है
PM
मुझे.
क्राइम पेट्रोल.
मैंने भी देखा, मैं झूठ तो नहीं बोलूंगी.
क्राइम
Crime
पेट्रोल you know?
Petrol. हाँ, I know.
You know?
मैं पहले देखती थी, but my parents used to tell me don't watch it. It's
अरे.
not for you. You're too small to watch it. I was very small. I was like 8 or
CID
something.
भी बहुत देखती थी.
CID is coming back. Do you know?
I
तो
know.
गड़बड़ है दे.
आदि's दादी no watches CID repeat show. अच्छा, it's coming back.
It's coming back. The teaser has come up.
अब तो देखना पड़ेगा.
It's basically Pradyuman is ACP Pradyuman is exactly the same. Shivaji Satam hasn't changed. He looks exactly the same, and there is Daya, there is Abhijit. It's going to be.
Only know this character. कुछ तो गड़बड़
That
है.
is ACP
हाँ, दाल
Pradyuman.
में कुछ तो खाया.
इसका मतलब समझे. So that equation is coming back again, and I'm very excited about it. And in one of the podcasts, you said that you were clear about the fact that you made in your recent initial episodes, you made 1,200 a day,
हाँ.
and someone else was making so much amount of money, right?
हाँ.
So did you ever feel tabhi I don't know, but when you look back, do you now feel that female leads, female characters were underpaid as opposed to the male characters?
Honestly, I can't comment on that per se because I don't know how much everybody was paid. But in Tapu Sena, that wasn't the case. So I will go on the assumption that it wasn't the case in the show.
Hmm.
Of course, people are paid differently, but that is based on their level of seniority and unke role वगैरह. So
So Tapu Sena was equally paid.
yeah,
That's nice.
yeah.
That should be the right barometer.
Yeah.
You cannot compare
Compare.
with someone like
Yeah,
Dilip
yeah.
Joshi.
Yeah. And let's say, agar समझो if Tapu was also getting paid more than me, I don't see anything wrong in that either because
Yeah.
उसका character है ना मुझे important
He
है.
brings more value to the
हाँ.
table. Hmm.
So,
But overall, do you feel that women are underpaid in this industry?
honestly, apart from the actresses, I've not really come across women working on the set per se, apart from the stylists and actresses. So I think in general, you need more people in there.
Yeah.
Now I do see, you know, ki AD have like women
Yeah.
and all. When I was on the set, it was all men.
It was all men.
It was all men.
Totally patriarchal.
Apart from the stylist and like
Yeah.
makeup and
Yeah.
hair and
Yeah.
everything, it was all men.
Damn.
So जब लड़की आएगी तब तो
तभी बात होगी इस चीजों के बारे में.
yeah.
What do you think
अब
about
आ
this?
रही है ना तो अच्छी बात है.
Jia, what do you think about this? Like it's said that in this industry, female are paid less than men.
I don't know.
I think when you grow up, well, you'll understand the
understand it
financial part.
more.
You'll get the
Yeah.
clarity of it.
जैसे
Yeah.
भी I'm sure she is also not doing it for the money. No,
Yeah.
her reasons are different. Her intentions for acting are different, right?
Are you doing
Enjoy
it for the money?
No.
Come on.
Why? No.
But you feel good now when money comes to your house.
So who doesn't? Who doesn't?
Money is good, but I don't do ads and movies only for money.
Huh.
I do it because I feel happiness. I feel happy when I do it. I meet new people, as I told you earlier.
Yeah.
What
It
is
makes me happy.
what does money mean to you?
Money, sometimes it's happiness. Sometimes it's happiness, you know.
That's totally
Everyone
just.
feels that.
It's not because of the money, but the joy the money brings you.
That I want that.
You
That
get
is
it.
like, okay, I'll get you that. And everything now is working. We have to give money to do that, you know.
Yeah, everything costs
You want to buy
something.
this, you have to give money.
बात
You
तो
have to
सही है
do
ना
this, you have to get money.
There have been a bunch of times what that motivated me to start this foundation.
Mhm.
And also, like, we started our own ambulance to
Yeah,
rescue
I've seen that.
rescue hurt animals, injured
wounded dogs.
animals. So what inspired me was this very one incident
Hmm.
where I spotted this dog whose eyes were bruised,
Oh.
जिसके अंदर maggots चले गए थे. And those maggots literally ate his head and brain. And he was still alive.
How?
I don't know why he made it. So it was 2 a.m. There was no ambulance. There was no one
Yeah.
able to come. My car was not with me. There was no one who can help
Yeah.
us. And I was just so helpless. I'm calling everyone. I'm calling NGOs. All the NGOs are saying कि हमारा 1 बजे बंद हो जाता है. अभी हम
हाँ.
करें क्या? Like, I won't let this dog die.
नहीं.
I called PETA. PETA वाले ने बोला that euthanize करना पड़ेगा. Some other people came. They said euthanize करना पड़ेगा. Somehow figured out a way. Some random person came with this car and he took the dog to the nearest vet,
Vet.
the nearest foster vet. We got him covered
Hmm.
in terms of his injections, in terms of his recovery. सब कुछ हो गया.
हाँ.
And he was alive. He was fine. उसके अंदर से
Really?
200 maggots को निकाला हमने. 200 maggots.
Oh my god.
He lost his eye, but he was not conscious. So next day we took him to a foster. I understood the kind of pain that he might be going through was so intense. He was not able to even bark.
Obviously, if something
Right?
getting at you.
So that one incident gave me clarity of the fact that कि रात को कितनी सारी चीजें हो रही है while we are sitting in the comfort of our sofas or sleeping on our beds while not knowing what's happening outside. So that one incident triggered me that, hey, night ambulance is the need of the
Yeah.
hour.
I love that about you, you know. Like, करना है तो करना है. You're
Yeah.
finding a way to get
Yeah.
things done.
Yeah.
Walking the walks, not just like talking. And that's
Yeah.
something I aspire to.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect, and it must be very difficult and consuming for you also
Yeah.
to actually do everything that you think of,
Yeah.
because the world doesn't lack problems, right?
Mm.
बुरी चीजों की कमी नहीं है इस दुनिया में.
Mm.
But to be able, I love that you wake up every day and decide to do something about
Yeah,
it.
there is a hope.
And
There is
yeah,
a hope.
hopefully one day all of us can do that.
You can. Anyone can. You
Yeah.
can. You can.
Yeah.
All these
Everyone
people can.
can.
It's not a big deal. It's just what you feel like doing, and then you do it. You feel good. You do it
Yeah.
again. It just becomes a flywheel of beautiful life. But yeah, what do you think is the biggest flaw of this universe, of this world, that needs to be prepared?
Oh my
repaired?
God. एकदम भारी से
Yeah.
भारी question for Jia.
ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है जो गलत हो रही है, इसको ठीक करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Hmm.
Mm, I've never thought about it, you know.
It's okay, take your time.
But I don't know.
You don't think about it.
Actually don't.
What about you?
Me, I feel like the contradiction of lives all over the globe. Like, I'm being a hypocrite here, I know. Like on one hand, I'll be watching a video of the war in Gaza, right? And feeling ki, okay, oh my God, what is happening? Why is this happening? Is humankind dead? Is this happening? And on the other hand, I'm having the realization that my life is not stopping. So I'm traveling or going on my bachelorette. And the realization that, okay, I'm feeling this, but I'm also feeling that. But it shouldn't be like that. It should be this for everybody all over the country. That I don't know how to fix,
Yeah.
but I would like to.
Hmm.
You know,
If
some
that makes
people.
any sense.
You know, some people are like, when they don't know you, that don't treat like hi, hello, just talk badly to you. But when they start to know about you that you are a very big person, then they start treating you nicely. Has that ever happened to you?
No.
There was one of my friend, you know, I don't call him as a friend. It was a boy. So I was new in school, Ryan, and he was behaving very rude to me. Very. I didn't even know him.
Hmm.
I was not even talking to him or something. He just started to behave rudely to me. Then one day he got to know that I'm an actor and I'm doing that Kasauti Zindagi ki serial. One day he came to me, he was like, "Hi, how are you, Jia? Hi, Jia. I got to know that you're acting. You're an actress so good, Jia." And I was like, "What happened to your attitude that you were doing to me? What happened?" Suddenly he changed. And
Yeah.
I was like, I don't want these types of people in my life. They're just acting. That they're just pretending to be good to
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
But from outside, they're actually really bad.
Yes. And you come across so many. You'll come across so many fake people in your life.
Of course.
You know, like some people individually, they're very nice to you,
Yeah.
but then they're in a group. They
Hmm.
behave so differently.
Hmm.
They'll
Now
say bad
only.
things because they're in a group.
Now only. There was one of my best friend. So I didn't know that she actually didn't like me. She was just trying to use me
Okay.
to show people that I am her best friend and she loves me as a friend. So then one day she told me that I was just acting. I don't actually like you. I was like, what is wrong with you? And I was like, okay, go whatever you want to do. I was like, why are you doing this to me?
She was acting to be nice to you.
Yeah.
Why?
To
उसको
show
दुनिया को
people that
दिखाना
I
था
am.
कि मेरी
my
friend.
best friend is famous. ऐसा है ना?
So do you feel bad when this happens?
Of course, she was
Yeah.
my best friend. Best. I used to tell everything to her. What happened, what did not happen, this not happen. And then she just betrayed me one day. And I was like, why are you doing this?
11 साल की betrayal और ये सब words use कर रहे हैं मुझे लगता है कि my God, my childhood was so much simpler in comparison.
It was simpler because we had less things to think about.
Yeah. मतलब ये सब हुआ but 11 साल में नहीं, थोड़ा 15-16 साल में ड्रामा होता है.
When it comes to Tarak Mehta, there were these headlines hitting. This person is living, that person is living. Everyone is asking like questions. ये क्यों छोड़ रहा है? क्यों छोड़ रहा है? Like I thought जब when Daya left, I thought this is the end. अब क्या देखे? क्यों देखे?
Yeah.
So what was your mindset तभी when people are leaving the show?
to be honest, I was happy for them. Yeah, I mean, everybody has that personal freedom and choices to
Hmm.
make. And अगर आप actual में actor या actress हो, right? Let's say if I was still continuing, I wouldn't feel that job satisfaction because अगर मैं truly acting के लिए actor बनी हूँ, तो फिर बचपन से लेके अब तक मैं वो एक ही role में limit हुई हूँ ना.
Yeah.
So then I would have left either way. And I think that might also be the basis as to why a lot of people left, because you always want to move on to better things or newer things.
Yeah.
Everybody needs that excitement in life. So I was happy for them. There was no question about कि ये क्यों छोड़ा या ये गलत हुआ होगा या वो हुआ या ये हुआ. Okay, you chose to leave. Good for you. I hope that you do better things.
Yeah. Got it. And I have so many questions running in my mind,
पूछो पूछो.
but I feel like the more we talk about one show, the more it like limits for us to like bond with each
Bond.
other. So I
True.
want- it's time to kid for a bit,
Ah.
and it's a very fun activity. Before this, you
ये
hold this.
GK वीके मत पूछना
हाँ
मुझे.
मैं पहले पूछूंगा
ये
Current affairs की बात पूछना
प्रेसिडेंट
मुझसे.
कौन है इंडिया का? जी
I don't
जी
know.
I don't know.
ये कट कर देना. So this game is very interesting.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure तुम लोग ने खुद के बारे में थोड़ी बहुत चीजें जान ली होगी. किस
हाँ.
किस टाइप के तुम लोग हो, individuals हो,
इसलिए.
तुम लोग ने थोड़ा बॉन्ड कर दिया. So I'll be asking a bunch of questions,
Okay.
right? तुम्हें बिना देखे उसका आंसर उस पे लिखना है.
Okay.
And I am afraid of this activity.
I'm very nervous right now.
Because if you guys write the same answer, if any of your answers match, you'll get the opportunity to apply one of those makeup kits on me.
थोड़ा
So
चलेगा. मैं तो एग्जाम में भी करती
भाई चीटिंग नहीं करना चाहिए, इनको देखो ठीक से. ठीक है?
हूँ.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All good, guys? अच्छा, the first question is one street food dish you love.
Done.
दिखाओ.
One.
वड़ा पाव पानी पूरी. Okay. That was close. Okay, cool. Okay. You don't like vada pav?
No.
Why?
पानी पूरी में आंसू निकल जाते हैं तो मुझसे ना हो पाए.
अच्छा, okay. Okay. Draw something that starts with T. 10 seconds only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. ये मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे की लग गई यहाँ पे. दिखाओ.
I made this for the like TT but then I was like नहीं शायद बच्ची है तो 3 बना लेगी यार.
T से
Okay.
मैंने भी वही actually
Cool.
I swear to God I drew that and then
Why
I
did you
erased it.
T क्यों करी तुमने?
T बोला
क्योंकि
तो
T
T
से
सबसे पहले आया. सबसे पहले दिमाग में वही आया.
Yes.
Dang it.
Smart questions लिखे हैं मैंने. Next is one person who matters to you the most.
I don't
देखा उसने यार.
नहीं
देखा
देखा.
ना?
कैसे देखेगी बेचारी इतना लंबा क्या देख
know.
रही है
देखा?
होगा.
2, 1.
Oh my God.
Why does Ronaldo matter to you?
Because mom is the first. But Ronaldo is also very good because he shows respect to
अरे
his
one person who matters to you the most.
mom.
हाँ तो
Then you're-
चेंज कर लगाओ.
नहीं, नहीं.
Makeup.
You are clearly bad at this game and
Makeup,
I'm the best at
makeup.
this game. Okay,
Makeup.
next.
But she said mom.
She said Ronaldo. She wrote Ronaldo.
But I meant mom.
It does
Listen,
not
I'm
matter.
very
It does not
competitive in
matter what
life.
you mean. Okay. One cartoon character that is your favorite.
अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि आजकल के बच्चे क्या देखते हैं.
पता है मुझे. और तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? मैं क्या देखती हूँ?
सुनाई भी नहीं दिया. चीटिंग तो ढंग से करो.
चलो 10.
अरे एक मिनट
Nice.
सोचने तो दो सोचने तो दो.
One cartoon character
Wait.
that you all love the most.
चलो मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ मेरी ड्राइंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं है
वेरी
You have
गुड.
to not draw it, you have to write the name.
Okay, sorry,
बाप रे,
sorry.
तो draw करने बैठ गई कार
ये ड्रॉ क्यों कर रही है मेरी माँ?
मैंने पहले
एक
बोला
काम
था,
करो,
sweat
बाजू में
out.
बैठ जाओ.
बट मैंने देखो स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बोला था जब हमारी ऑफ कैमरा बात हो रही थी तो
क्या?
सेम ही है. एंड यू नो आई एम सेइंग द ट्रूथ हियर. जाओ जाओ लगा लो.
मैंने
जो भी
मुझे
लगाना
पता है
लगा
तुम्हें
लो.
टॉम एंड जेरी पसंद है. मैंने की है रिसर्च. चलो ठीक है. ओके. You have to pick up only one, ना?
You take the blush and put it like that, like Chutki
हाँ
has.
हाँ
ओके. क्यों चला रहा हूँ मैं पॉडकास्ट?
There has to be 2 circles, okay? Don't blend it. Just put it.
थोड़ा
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
क्या मेरे को जोकर बना दिया?
You seen no छोटा भीम?
हाँ
तो चुटकी देखी है ना?
हाँ.
चुटकी
मैं चुटकी लग रहा हूँ.
हाँ
मैं चुटकी लग रहा हूँ.
चुटकी चुटकी चुटकी
Perfect.
How do I look? क्यूट तो हूँ मैं.
That's so
Okay.
Sure.
Next question. One word that defines you.
Oh damn.
ये तो नहीं आने वाला. I'm pretty sure.
तो एकदम. I know what she's thinking.
ए, क्या गेम है ये? मतलब किस
3,
टाइप का
2,
गेम है
1.
ये? क्या है ये मतलब?
क्या लिखा?
क्यों मैं पूछ रहा हूँ?
Now you will put
हाँ हाँ मैं सोचूं क्या लगा.
lipstick.
Are we doing it for real?
Yeah.
अरे यार बहुत मजा आ रहा है ना तुम्हें?
बहुत ज्यादा.
यही सोच के आई थी.
I want to like overline it थोड़ा.
ऐसे करते हैं ना?
You want to.
और ये अभी चिढ़ो मत यार. क्या हो रहा है यार?
You look beautiful.
Sorry.
Okay, next question. One quality you love about each other. इधर देखना मत. हाँ.
मैं उसको देख रही हूँ कि what do I love
हाँ.
about her.
हैं? हैं?
Quality बोला ना उसको.
हाँ.
quality of-
एक काम करो, एक साथ बोलो. ठीक है, लिखो मत.
क्यों?
ठीक है?
नहीं.
नहीं
लिखना है.
नहीं
नहीं लिखना है.
नहीं लिखना नहीं है. मैं अभी
लिखने में
बोलूंगा.
तो मजा आता है.
3, 2, 1 एक साथ बोलना. ठीक है? चलो 3, 2, 1.
Sweet.
उससे same ही होता है.
नहीं होता है. नाउ यू आर किडिंग. दैट आई नो. इतना टाइम मैं किडिंग कर रहा था, अभी तुम कर रहे हो. द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव थिंग यू वांट टू बाय.
Ah. 3, 2. Mine is really different.
दिखाओ. तुम दिखाओ अपना.
मैंने तो idea.
माय मॉम्स ड्रीम. तुम्हारा क्या? वर्ल्ड टूर ट्वाइस.
आदि सारे में पेन के साथ.
नाइस.
The most expensive thing probably.
Nice.
Love.
But your mom's dreams, you do not have your own dream?
I don't want to buy myself anything. If I see my mom happy, I'm happy.
Oh. What's your mom's dream?
I don't know. I never asked her.
You never asked her.
So now you can go and ask her.
Now you
I
can go
will
and
ask her.
Work towards it.
Yeah. She will say, my dream is to get better. I'm sick, na baba.
Yeah, in the short term.
A healthy-
or long term.
A healthy person wants hundreds of things. An unhealthy person wants only one thing, to get better.
और आपने बोला most expensive thing you can buy, इसलिए मैंने वो देखा.
Very good.
बाकी तो बहुत चीजें हैं.
Of course. I'm not being philosophical here.
Chutki.
मैं इतनी materialistic नहीं हूँ.
Sid is not here, guys. सिद्धि आई है आज podcast पे. Okay. हाँ. What is your favorite color? हाँ दिखाओ. Red, pink.
Oh.
It matches your pads.
Oh. This
Nice.
pink and this is red.
Oh yeah.
Nice. What do you think is Jeel's favorite तारक मेहता character? ए नहीं, sorry, ये बोला है उसने. But शायद she did not pay attention.
Bhide. What?
Babita.
Babita.
I
Yeah.
wanted with her the most offset.
Oh, she taught you chemistry. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Such a nice listener you are, no?
Need to put more makeup on his face.
One, your dream destination.
So
तुम दिखाओ अच्छा नहीं मेरे को धीरे से दिखाओ ओके दैट इज माइन आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द कल्चर
कल्चर कौन से देश में कल्चर है सोच
इंडिया
पर हम ऑलरेडी इंडिया में है तो
ए जमणिया
क्या बोला
I don't know spelling.
दिखाओ।
I don't know.
बैंकॉक
नाम थाईलैंड जाता है पर उधर नहीं गया
मुझे बहुत
क्यों नहीं गए
मैं बहुत बार जाए
साउदर्न थाईलैंड में गए
अच्छा
मैं बहुत बार गया और मुझे पसंद भी है और मुझे फिर से जाना है
ask her questions about her marriage plans no
अरे बाप
Yeah.
रे asking a bride about all of that is like you know asking a person who just graduated कि भाई अब क्या plans है college के बाद you don't ask people that
yeah
बहुत ये चल रहा है
so are you excited about the marriage than the wedding
yes I'm more excited about the marriage than the wedding
not than the wedding nothing else
yeah
how is the equation with your in-laws
very good
very good
yeah
you did not tell them तुम्हारा 11 साल का था
उनको पता है
उनको पता है फिर किसको नहीं पता तुम्हारे मॉम
कट करता
अरे मैं वो करूंगा
मेरे
यार
mom को पता
चेहरा
है।
क्यों छुपा रहे हो यार
मेरे डैड को नहीं पता
हाँ मैं वो कर लूंगा डोंट वरी भाई नोट डाउन कर ले यू वॉच द पॉडकास्ट वंस मोर एंड देन यू टेल हिम अपलोड करने के बाद हम ट्रिम कर सकते हैं
नो इट्स ओके आप क्या करेंगे शादी होने वाली है अब
तो आर यू एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट जूते दो पैसे लो वाली सिचुएशन
oh yes
Do you know
आर्यू
that?
कंगाल हो जाना चाहिए
कंगाल होना चाहिए ना
yep totally
तो जूते लो पैसे दो यू डोंट नो
नहीं
जूते लो पैसे दो हाँ यू एक्सप्लेन
during the wedding the bride's sisters and brothers or friends they steal the juti of the groom and then if the groom wants it back he has to give them money or something they have to bribe he has to bribe them basically it's a lot of fun
जेप्टो कर लेते नए आ जाएंगे जेप्टो के लिए कैंपेन है भाई
that is such a thing I mean that is something that Adi would totally say like मुझे नहीं पड़ी मैं Zepto से मंगा लेता हूँ
Nice. What do you like the most about this generation and what do you hate?
I don't like how easily they are entertained by like things that are I mean I don't know they generate value from things that I find meaningless so that's something I
Yeah.
don't like
Yeah.
what I love about them is that they truly follow their heart
Yeah.
they just do what they want
Yeah. What is 25-year-old Gia is doing right now?
acting.
Acting
wow.
full time.
Yes,
Wow, man.
of course. Acting. I love acting.
Who's someone you want to work with?
Alia Bhatt and Shah
a
Rukh
good
Khan.
one
And Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah
बुढ़ा हो जाएगा भाई 25
But I
साल
want
बाद
to. I want to work with Alia Bhatt.
ऐसा निकलेगा नहीं यार में
he is so fit though
yeah, but still 25 years is a lot.
it is a lot
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt, me too.
but Amitabh Bachchan is still working no
Oh yeah.
so then why wouldn't Shah Rukh Khan
No judgments, guys. But it was such a chill episode, no?
yeah
It was just three cuties talking about life. I see growing Alia Bhatt in your eyes. So
Everyone says that I look like Alia Bhatt.
yeah,
Do
you're
I?
going to become
Yeah.
the next version of Gia that the world is yet to witness. So all the best for that. I'm so proud of you. I'm going to invite on a bunch of other episodes. You have to come.
Okay.
Okay.
I will.
देखो
Keep
तुमको
coming, no?
invite कर रहा है मुझे तो नहीं कर रहा
जी कभी शादी हो जाएगी ना उसके बाद
हाँ
मतलब
तो
then you can come with your kid, no? After
oh
so
my
many
god
years.
no
Hey, do you want a baby? Like a baby boy or baby girl? Which you are like, I want to.
मतलब at some
Wait,
point
She was like very conscientious. Like, do you want a baby? A baby boy? A baby girl? तीन options है.
Really, like baby
some point I
with
want-
gender.
girls I wouldn't know what to do with a baby boy
Yeah.
girls
Boys को boy चाहिए.
नहीं 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 भाई we want girls.
yeah you are such a girl dad vibe
I want a girl.
look at his face you got practice today
Just kidding with Siddhi. But it was such a cool, casual, amazing episode. Thank you so much, guys, for being here.
Thank you for having us.
I'm so happy that you are here, and I hope that I crash your wedding
Yes, please. You're
wherever it
welcome to
is.
come.
So we'll
मेरी
start.
शादी वैसे गुजरात में ही है, आपको भी
We'll
आना आ जाओ.
we'll
Oh,
start
I will
planning.
come.
No, you don't have to invite me. I'll crash it.
कब है, कहाँ है, आपको
वही है ना, वही तो
बताओ भी.
क्रैशर्स तो इसको बोलते हैं ना. बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, निकाल लेंगे इन्फॉर्मेशन.
इतना अच्छा स्टॉकिंग स्किल है आपका.
नहीं, लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Hmm.
Thank you so much, guys. Did you have fun?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. I came in with no expectations because it was just a big question mark. Yeah, I don't know क्या बात होने वाली है, but I was at peace कि okay, Jia is such a nice sweet child and Sid is there, so it's going to be a good morning, good afternoon.
आते आते आफ्टरनून हो गई आपकी.
हाँ, so that's why I changed it to afternoon.
तुम्हें मजा आया?
मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया. And meeting new people, as I said, I love meeting new people.
Yeah.
First time I met her, and it was so good meeting her. She is so sweet. She is so kind.
You both are just like me.
That's true. You are kind. Like I told you, it's one of the reasons why I followed you. And this was more like just hanging out rather than नहीं
Yeah.
कुछ like content बनाना है, वैसा नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं वो हमारी
जैसा
टीम
अच्छा
कर
लगा.
लेगी, टेंशन मत लो.
नहीं नहीं. I'm saying like
I know.
it was just an easy conversation.
I know. Thank you so much, guys, for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. मैंने
Thank
कभी
you for
बोला
inviting
नहीं,
me
me.
also.
Thank you so
मैंने
much.
बोला नहीं, बट इस बार मैं बोलूंगा सब्सक्राइब करने को बोलो, कोई कर नहीं रहा है यार.
Please subscribe.
ये
या
YouTube
तो
पे
हम
भी
लोग
Instagram
इसके
पे
मुंह पे
YouTube.
और मेकअप लगाएंगे.
Yeah. Like.
Save me, guys.
Everybody should like, share, and subscribe if they want to see more of Siddhi and less of Sid.
So don't
अभी
forget to
सारे लौंडे
subscribe.
आएंगे. सारे थड़की लौंडे आएंगे. Like, देखा? अच्छा है.
Oh,
Any
anyway,
bad
as
publicity is
long as
also
good
good
publicity.
publicity. Thank you so much, guys. It
But
was fun.
Thank
I hope
you.
it reaches the right audience too.
It does.
And helps
It
you
will.
grow.
It
It will, it will.
And I hope you're watching.
Yes.
Bye bye.
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 Cut.